last part of the tent repair that I want to do is just a simple pole repair. So 3 of the 4 poles came with the bungee cord in it, but the 4th one, the bungee was broken, and I managed to find the ferrule or the stopper part inside inside one of the pieces of the pole. So to do this repair, and it's a simple like makeshift repair because I don't have any ferrules or anything like that to create a stopper. So for this you're going to need some shock cord, a multi-tool, a lighter for burning the end of the shock cord after you cut it, and a measuring tape. So I did some reading on repairs to tent poles and shock cord, and there's some mixed reviews. Some say 75% of the total length of the tent pole, like all the sections of the pole together, or 50%. I'm actually not going to do any measuring just because I have to feed it all through, just tension and stuff like that. I'm just going to make it up as I go along. So I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, you know what? Because I don't have another ferrule, I'm actually just using a nut as the stopper at the far end, and I pre-measured it out to make sure that it would work. So I'm just going to feed that through, and I'm going to leave it by the spool end as I thread the poles. One. The nut's still there, but yep. 3. And that should be good, I think, for 4. Oh. That one. Alright, so it's all fed through. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to tie these 2 sections of bungee together, and I'm just going to use a simple fisherman's knot. And I like this knot a lot because it actually tightens onto itself as you put tension on it. Also, I think referred to as a single uni knot. You can look that up, but as you can see, yeah, it just will tighten down on itself. And just because I know it has to go through the narrow part, I might want to trim those ends down. So let's just see what happens here. All right, bud. I think I might have too much shock cord in there to pull it through. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to cut these ends off and tidy them up a little bit. That one's not bad. There. And so I did mention that I just burn the ends to tidy that up, and then I'll just tighten that up a little bit more so it feeds in there, and the okay, let's see what happens here if I give a good pull. Figured that might be a problem, so I actually have this coat hanger to go. There we go. So let's see, tidy that up a bit. So same knot, same ferrule. I just had to give a really hard yank on it to make that work. So we'll go ahead and put this back together. So there we go. And so it's, as you can see, I'm just pulling tension on this, and I want to keep tension on it and feed the nut up to where I feel like there's a good amount of tension there. And yeah, I'm just going to put a knot in the end here while it's under tension, and that nut should create a nice stopper for me. And there we go. That knot I actually want to make a little bit smaller. So the nut's there, if you can see the nut's there, and that's going to be the stopper, and then that knot I just created is going to feed in. But yeah, so now I want to cut the last little bit of the bungee there, and we'll pull it out, hold it under the tension, and just burn that end as well. The burning just prevents any fraying. So there, we'll feed the knot in and the nut held. So perfect. Nice, easy fix for that fourth tent pole. So I'm super happy about that. I'll go set the tent back up. I'll do a little bit of a summary on the tent, what it cost me, and yeah, that'll be it.